Hello everyone, my name is Vadim DiPietro. I'm a finance professor at the Desautels Faculty of Management. I'm also the Chief Investment Officer at Desautels Capital Management, our student-run investment management company, which plays a very big role in our MMF program. The goal of this presentation is to give you a better idea of what our MMF program is all about. As you're probably already aware, McGill University has an excellent international reputation, which is an important factor in terms of helping students in the job market. Within the university, the Faculty of Management has a particularly good reputation. As an example, our undergraduate management program is the most difficult undergraduate program to get into in the entire country. And within the Faculty of Management, the finance area is particularly highly regarded. Our area has the highest per capita research productivity in Canada, but perhaps more importantly from a student point of view, our finance area is really recognized for its passion and excellence in teaching. And I think this is really one of the strongest points of the MMF program. As a large university with a very rich history, we're also fortunate to have a well-established network of alumni who in many cases are leaders in the financial sector, and several of these alumni participate in our MMF Pro Seminar series, which I'll come back to in a few moments. So who is the MMF program for? It's actually designed for students who may or may not have any background in finance. We're basically looking for students with a proven track record of academic excellence in any undergraduate program, who are ambitious, energetic, have a real passion for learning about finance, and have the capacity to work really hard throughout the program. Now, the world of finance is so broad and touches upon so many different areas that whatever your undergraduate degree, you will have no doubt already developed some skills that are useful for the world of finance or more generally the business world. The MMF program will help you leverage those skills and give you a rigorous, comprehensive, and formal training in finance to help you apply successfully for top finance positions. It's a one-year, very intensive program, and no prior work experience is required. In fact, you'll gain experience during the MMF program working as an analyst at Desautels Capital Management. And I'll come back to that in a few moments. Here we see examples of 3 of our MMF alumni with varied backgrounds in psychology, accounting, and math, who each went on to do very well in the job market. So the MMF program can be thought of as being based on 4 pillars, which we think make the program ideally suited for students looking to pursue a professional career in finance. The first pillar is the coursework. The second pillar is the opportunity to work as an analyst at Desautels Capital Management. The third pillar is our focus on career services. And the fourth pillar is the exclusive nature of the program and students' ability to interact very closely with our faculty members. So far, we think we've been quite successful. If we look at the placement statistics for the class of 2017, we can see that our students have done quite well, with 94% of them finding jobs within 6 months of graduation at a variety of different employers in a variety of different subsectors of the financial industry. And here we see that our class of 2018 is also doing quite well in terms of job placements, also in a variety of different companies and subsectors. Now, in terms of the program structure, you can see that there are many different elements to the MMF program, including coursework, student involvement at Desautels Capital Management, a research project, our Pro Seminar series, case competitions, various additional workshops, and extensive support for students in the job market. In terms of the coursework, our 11 courses are split into 6 six-week modules with an exam during the last week. The courses are both theoretical and applied, in many cases focusing on case studies and trading simulations. As you would expect from a Master's in Finance program, the courses are quantitatively oriented, but that doesn't mean you need to have an advanced background in math to get by. As long as you have a good analytical mind and are comfortable dealing with numbers, you should be okay from a mathematical point of view. And we do have many students coming from non-quantitative backgrounds who do very well in the program. Now turning our attention to Desautels Capital Management, our student-run investment management company. We currently manage approximately $5 million across 4 different funds. The global equity and fixed income funds are managed by our undergraduate honors investment management students, while the Alpha Squared and socially responsible investing fund are managed by our MMF students. At DCM, students' primary role is to work as analysts in a given sector, doing both fundamental and quantitative analysis to select stocks for our portfolios. Upon joining DCM at the start of the program, students are given a crash course by myself on stock valuation. In addition, we have several specialized workshops on accounting, programming, and Bloomberg to get students up to speed and making investment decisions as soon as possible. We meet as a group several times per week. Throughout the program, students give presentations on current market events, sector overviews, several stock pitches, and/or quantitative strategy pitches. Students can also take on additional roles at DCM, including in risk management, economic analysis, sustainability analysis, marketing, and operations. Now, because we're analyzing and valuing companies at DCM, the skills that students learn are not only applicable to the world of investment management, but also to areas like investment banking, consulting, and general corporate finance. Moving on now to the research project, which is supervised by a faculty member. This is essentially an opportunity for students to take the skills they've learned throughout the program and apply it to a specific topic of their choice, in the process developing an expertise in a particular area. Often students will select a project that will be particularly relevant for the type of job that they're interested in, and this of course can be very helpful to them in the job market process. Another very important part of the MMF program is our Pro Seminar series. This is where industry professionals come in and share their experiences with our students, keep us abreast of the latest trends in financial markets, and even give students career advice. It's a great opportunity for our students to learn from very successful finance practitioners, and it's also a great opportunity to help students meet new people and expand their professional network. Turning now to case competitions, which are optional, but we encourage our students to participate in. It's a great experience for students to learn how to work as a team in very high pressure situations. And it's also a great way to showcase student skills and meet new people, and again, expand your professional network. The final pillar of the MMF program is our dedication to career preparation. We have a dedicated career services team who are really passionate about trying to help students maximize their chances of getting the jobs they want. We have job fairs, including a trip to Toronto, where students can meet alumni and potential employers at major financial institutions. We have workshops to help students prepare their resumes and cover letters, and we also help students with a number of preparatory mock interviews. So those are the main pillars of our MMF program. Turning now to the numbers, you can see that in terms of tuition, we are very competitive compared to other top-level programs. Despite being less expensive, I really do feel comfortable saying that we have a world-class program, and in my view, really the best program of its kind, primarily due to our high quality of teaching and also due to the experience that students gain working as analysts at Desautels Capital Management. You can see that we have a very diverse set of students coming from a number of different nationalities. And we're happy that despite being a relatively new program, we're already attracting top talent from across the world with students that have very high GPAs and very high test scores. In terms of the application process, we require 2 essays, 2 letters of reference, transcripts, and if you're coming from a non-Canadian university, we also require either the GMAT or GRE test scores. We don't have any cutoffs in terms of minimum GPAs or test scores, and we judge each application in its totality. We also interview students before making final acceptance decisions. In terms of the deadlines, you can see that there are several, but we do encourage you to apply early, as admissions are done on a rolling basis. I hope you found this presentation informative, and we look forward to receiving your application. Thank you, and have a great day.